Hello, Kyle's Garage viewers. Welcome back to another episode. This one is going to be pulling the engine and transmission out of the Bronco. It's going to be another time-lapse episode. I hope you guys have actually been liking that. I've been enjoying making them because it's a little easier on me. I can just film the whole thing and speed it up and put some music over it. I think a lot of videos will end up being like that. I hope it's not. I hope that doesn't turn you guys off. I like the way the videos have been turning out. Let me know down in the comments below if you like the videos. I think they've been really coming together. Anyways, I'm just going to straight hit it and start pulling the engine and trans out of this Bronco so we can get closer to getting our 4-cylinder turbo in there. And oh boy, do I have great news about the 4-cylinder turbo engine. I'm going to wait until next time probably to tell you guys about it, or an update episode or something like that, and let you know kind of what's going on with the engine. But yeah, let's hit that time lapse. Alright, before I pull the engine actually out and get into everything, I want to hear it run one last time with the V6. Stinky bastard. Anyways, let's get that thing out of there now. Alright, there you have it. Got the engine, transmission out of the Bronco. That thing kind of fought me, I'm not going to lie. I've had this truck apart many, many times. But this time it sat in a field for 5 years straight, and the rust got the better of it. And you saw me use the torch quite a bit. A lot of the common rusty issues were very rusty this time, so just torched it. I didn't even feel like dealing with it. I knew they weren't going to be fun to get off with like a socket or an impact or by hand. I had the torch, I used it. So there's that. So yeah, finally got the engine out. Oh God, so happy. No more V6. No more V6. We're not looking back to the V6 ever again. We're going turbo 4-cylinder. That's where our eyes are now. And like I said, I got a whole bunch of details on that engine. Very exciting stuff. Stuff that's going to get the Bronco project underway sooner, hopefully, than later. I'd like to have this thing up and going in the spring to summer. Would be so cool just to have that thing out on the streets again, and you know, this time with a whole new power plant. What else? Also, I know, guys, that I took a few extra days on this one to get this one out the door. It took me a little longer than anticipated on this one, but for you patient viewers that have stuck around all the way to the end, the ones that watch all the way to the end, love you guys. I know that you're watching all the way in, some of you. Some of you are skipping around, but that's okay too. I don't care. I'm glad that you're watching any of the content at all. But to you guys that stuck all the way to this very last little bit, thank you for watching. I have bonus content because during the filming of all this, we got our first big snow, and I went and played around in it in the Forester. So that's going to be the bonus clip at the very end of when I'm done talking, which is right now. So you guys know the drill. Take care, and I'll see you next time.